Hi everyone, I'm hoping that you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So guys, there is a good news from Institute side for all CMA student if he is a foundation student, inter student or final student. So guys, Institute is providing free classes from foundation to final all subjects in online mode. So guys, you can directly see from the main website of the Institute. Let's see. Online live classes for CMA student, foundation, intermediate or final. Features expert and experienced faculty across India, subject-wise in-depth teaching, online classes on regular basis. So from live at home, you can see you need not to travel anywhere to your nearest chapters, to nearest CMA study center. From live itself at home, you can see all the free classes from foundation to final. So good news from institute side. So apart from this curriculum based teaching, any each and everything from your study material, they will complete their syllabus. Student query handling, student have any doubt, you can ask me, and how to join. And if you have any query, if you have any questions, how to resolve each and everything, you can see here. These are the two numbers from where you can ask if you have any questions. Okay, you can ask any questions. Okay, if you are facing any problem while logging each and everything, you can ask from these two mobile number which is provided by institute. Apart from this, the mail id is studies.dd3@icmi.in, studies.officer1@icmi.in. In these two available mail id, you can ask your doubt. If you have any doubt, if you are unable to log in, how to log in, what is the procedure, I will explain. So you need to simply click here. Now at present, institute has provided the, you can say that, webinar for the student. This is the schedule at present, but whenever the classes will start, similarly, Institute will release all the remaining timetable. So at present, this is the timetable which is shared by Institute. From 21st June 2021, 5 to 6, 1 hour, you can see that paper number 16, Vikas Mundra is the speaker. 22, paper number 20, Taran Mahajan. Paper number 7, direct taxation, Vikas Mundra. 23rd, 24. This is that you can say that the timetable which is shared by Institute. Okay, the link which is the link here, the link is activated before the starting the class, 60 minutes before starting the class. Okay, suppose 5 p.m. then the link will start from 4 p.m. itself. Sometime it will take some error 10 or 15 minutes, but do not worry, before 5 p.m. for example, this class 23rd June class starting from 11th a.m. so 10 a.m. the link will start. Okay, so you need to click here. You just need to provide your registration for login form. You just need to you can say that registration number, date of birth. Okay, and login credential, only you have to submit your registration number, and this is the event for the classes. Okay, at present only this is the available. At present this is the schedule which is available. Whenever the classes will start, soon institute will also release the remaining timetable. So simply you have to click here, and during the, you can say that, login procedure, you have any facing your problem, so the mentioned contact number you can call. Apart from this, you can also mail to the studies.ad3@icmr.in. During the registration, you have any call, in the earlier two number you can ask. Apart from this, in these two number you can also ask. Apart from this, this is that mail id you can mail, studies.ad3@icmi.in. So my suggestion now, my conclusion is that those who are taking private coaching classes, my suggestion to you, focus on those private coaching classes from where you are taking the classes. But those who are not doing taking the classes, doing self study, so I can say that you can take the benefit from the free classes this is providing by institute. If you like the video, then continue, and if you are not liking the video, then you cannot continue the video. Just do the self study. So you can take 2 or 3 classes. If you like, then you can complete the course. Okay, so this is the, you can see that free of cost classes which is providing by the institute. From foundation to funnel, all 20 papers, institute will provide the free live classes. Okay, simply you have to fill your registration number or date of birth, or you will fill the login. Okay, if you have any doubt related with the login procedure, if you are facing any login problem or glitches during the login form, so studies.ad3@icmi.in you can mail. Apart from this, the two number given by the institute, apart from this, these two mail IDs, you can also contact to the institute. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me from my side. From this is, you can say that the information which is necessary for those CMA students who are doing self study. So I think this is necessary to share with you. So this is the all, each and everything I have covered. This is the online classes. If you have any problem in the two mail IDs, in these two mail IDs or in this two number, you can contact me. Contact. Apart from this, simply before the starting of the class, 1 hour before, institute will activate the link. Simply you have to fill the form. At present, institute has released the timetable. Whenever the time passes, institute will release the remaining timetable. If you have any doubts related with the login, related with the registration number, date of birth, email ID, each and everything you can mail to the this. And if institute is not replying, again and again you top up, and surely institute will reply. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me from my side. That's all about this video. Bye guys.